Hey, what's going on, crew? Welcome back to the channel. If you're new to the crew, make sure you subscribe and get notified for more videos just like this. But if you're already a part of the crew, salute. Now, I've been using the same Bluetooth speaker for my computer / desktop, you know what I'm saying, for 7 years. This thing has been an absolute beast. It's like a Bluetooth speaker, has, you know what I'm saying, some really good sound quality. But when Bluedee actually told me that they had a sound bar that is supposed to be for gaming, supposed to be for computers, and supposed to deliver really good sound, and it also has LED lights. You can use it with a 3.5mm headphone jack or the Bluetooth connection. And I saw that it was like, you know, $40 or something like that, $10 off with the discount code that they give you. I was pretty impressed with everything that it had to offer. So this is it right here. This is the, you know what I'm saying, the Bluedee sound bar. On the back of here, it says that it's the PC gaming sound bar. The model number is the SK-010. So it's another company from Shenzhen, which is cool. They are like some tech giants out there in Shenzhen. All they do is innovate and create technology that is pretty sick and affordable. So this is the PC gaming soundbar. I want to go ahead and take a look at it. It has 4 different LED lights on here. You can use it for your laptop, computer, phone, things of that nature. It's supposed to deliver, you know what I'm saying, high quality sound levels and deep bass with Bluetooth 5.0. And you know what I'm saying, it says that it makes the sound more vivid, bringing fantastic dynamic audio experience. So I'm really excited to check this out, but before we do, let's go ahead and unbox it. Alright guys, so I have the Bluetooth speaker right here. I kind of just want to see what comes inside of the bundle, but no knife needed. It's got these flip panels, which you could just literally open up with the tab. So the first thing I'm greeted with is a product diaphragm. Let me see what they're talking about right here. It says thank you. First of all, thank you. It says thank you for clicking this video as well. I appreciate you guys. So I want to show some love your way. I want to send some love out to Bluedee as well. But make sure you send some love out to Bluedee right now by hitting the like button. But you do get your product manual. I'm going to put this down right here. We do get a thank you card as well. So I'm going to put that down right there. And let's go ahead and see what else comes inside of the bundle. And wow, the charging cord that they gave this thing is fire. If you don't know what that means it's sick, really good. Look at this thing. So this is I don't know if this is a charging cord or not. I just assumed it was. Let me take this out of the wrapping here and kind of take a look at it in some more detail. But this is plug and play. So essentially all you do is plug it in, and it says you can really just get some really good sound quality on here. So it says you can get customer service support within 24 hours with the email on this sticker that they put on here. They put a sticker on here that says that it's you could get customer service on here. So the volume knob is this thing right here. That's pretty cool. I never seen it there, so that's pretty cool. It's like a dial. So you also do get a 3.5mm headphone jack right here on the front of it. So that's also sick. It has like these grip for feet. So you got to take off the sticker on the feet so that it has more grip once you take that off. Yeah, it's definitely grippy. So it'll be able to be on slippery surfaces like tables, countertops. But mainly, you know what I'm talking about. This is gonna deliver excellent sound for a really low asking price. So I want to test it out. We can do some. I might play some music right now, but this is the cord that it comes with. You can see it's embedded in there. So you get this really cool Bluedee strap that comes around the cable right here. I don't know if this stays on. Yeah, it stays on. So that's sick because you could always. Looks like it's a tangle-free cord as well, and this is super long. So let me just see what the end of this has on here. So the end of this has 2 different ways you can connect it. You can connect it via the 3.5mm, or you can connect it via the Type A. So they did that. I definitely think that's pretty cool. So let's get this thing all set up. I'm gonna actually check it out right now, but we do get that 3.5mm headphone jack. It's plug and play, and a volume knob on this side. And on this side, you can see that thing right here looks cool. I hope that lights up as well, because that looks cool. And it's gonna light up on the bottom right here as well. So hopefully it lights up on both sides as well. I think that's gonna be cool, but let's go ahead, plug, play, and check this out. Okay guys, so this is the sound bar right here, but before I plug it in, it's got this button right here, which is like a click to, I think it's like that's the on and off button, but I really do like this cord. I'm gonna go ahead and plug it in right now to my computer using the Type A connection. You could also use the 3.5mm connection. So it automatically connects, as you can see right here. And then it says, you could already see the lights actually on here look really good. Those look really sweet. Let's see if, wow, it's on the side as well, like I thought it would be. And that's the green on this side. On this side, we have the green also. And then that just looks really, really good. So it's a small form factor. It looks smaller than in real life than what it does on a picture. So it's really small, but I want to go ahead and test out the sound with this and also just see how it thumps. So it says you could connect this thing with Bluetooth. So I kind of want to see what happens if I open up Bluetooth and look for the Bluedee right now. So right now what I'm going to do is connect my phone to it. So let's see if we could find it on my phone. And it said that in order to get into the Bluetooth pairing mode, you got to press this for 2 seconds. So let's do that. 1, 2. And you can hear a beep, and now the LEDs will start to flash like it said it would. So now I'm gonna look for my option here on my phone, and it should pop up right here, the SK, there it is. So I'm gonna go ahead, hit that, and now it says we're entered in the pairing mode. So now I'm connected to it through my phone, and it does say it does have that SBS quality on here, so that should be really good. But let's go ahead and play like a song so I could kind of test out the volume on here. So first I'll listen to you know what I'm saying, like I'll watch a movie on here, and if let me see, let's just type Nick's highlights, and then we'll play some music after this. Let me see, that was 5 days ago. I think they play on Sunday, so I'm waiting for that game. But let me turn this up. The knob has the volume. Well, the knob works for the volume. It's all the way up right now. And then you can control the volume from your phone too.
That they garnered this kind of attention and morale and had the city.
Holy cow. That sounds really good. It has really good lows and highs.
The Celtics initially are guarding him. They just keep backing up. And Julius Randle doesn't come through the mat.
Let's see if the lips match the words on here. Hold on.
You act like we out here winning Grammys. I ain't in a financial position to take care of nobody but my family. I got 2 daughters that I'm raising. One's 9 and one's 1. If I gotta raise this 1-9, he gonna call 911.
Wow, that sounded really good. I want to play a game on here and see how it plays, because this is a gaming, you know what I'm saying, a gaming bar, sound bar. But this sounds extremely good. Let's play some PUBG. Oh, that sounds really crazy. All right, let's play a game. So right now we will be on ultra graphics, and should I put it on HD? Yeah, I'm gonna leave it on balanced ultra so I can get that extra frame rate. Alright, so the guns sound crazy. They said every time I hear a gun clap or anything like that, it's at full. Just keep in mind it's at full. Oh snap! That's crazy. It's at full volume right now, so this thing sounds really good. Wow, there's a lot of sound separation.
Cover me!
Oh, that was crazy.
Reloading! Clear!
That was pretty nuts. Alright guys, so far this has a nice punch to it. Let's jump into some music, non-copyright music, so we don't get, you know what I'm saying? So I could like at least let you guys hear this. Did I click this by accident? Okay, now it's back on. You can see that LED light. Those lights look super clean. I really like how those lights look. Just a really sweet visual presentation as well as audio presentation. So I'm gonna go back into some music right here and let's play a quick song. It's at full volume right now. Let me turn it up. You can see my phone is vibrating right here. Alright, that sounds great. Let's try another song. This sounds great. It's not gonna be like for listening to music too much. Oh wait, that bass when it dropped sounded crazy. But this is more for gaming and watching videos and things like that. When you're at home, on your laptop or your wow, the bass sounds great on here. Let's try a couple more songs. Wow, that has a nice knock to it. Can y'all can hear that, right? Yeah, so I'm definitely gonna recommend this for the gamers out there. But let me give you my final thoughts on this thing. All right, so I'm gonna give you my final thoughts on this gaming soundbar. It sounds really clean. The audio on here is amazing. I can't like move it from where it is right here because it's still plugged in. Let me show you. I'm gonna unplug it. Okay, there we go. But you hold this for 2 seconds, you could enter Bluetooth pairing mode. It has a knob for volume controls. You could also get the option for plugging in a headphone jack. Really deep bass and punchy sound when I'm listening to it, especially at full volume. For gaming, this is going to be really good because it's Bluetooth 5.0, so there's zero latency when you're listening to the music. Looking at the lips and matching it with the words, it's going to be 100% synchronized. Also, I love how it has the changing LED lights. It's just, it gives you a really good vibe for when you're gaming. But let me know what you guys think about this. I'm gonna leave a link down below, and I'm also gonna leave show some love to Bluedee right now and let them know I appreciate them for sending this out for review. But I could definitely recommend this for you if you're a gamer. So show some love to Bluedee and show your support and appreciation to the channel if you found this video helpful in any way possible. But like I said, I'm gonna get right back with you. I'm gonna see you in the comment section. So let me know what you thought about this, the Bluedee BD SK-010 is the model number. But that's about it for the video. So make sure you guys have a great day, and I'm gonna see you in the comment section. But I'm gonna get right back with you. Peace.